Hello guys, I'll be bringing more of Binance account bond token airdrops to you guys. So this airdrop, we can just try it out and see on their launch and what it will become. So this is another Binance account bond token airdrop. So if you have Pepe or if you have AIDoge, you can claim this particular token. So what you need to do, you can see on their tweet here, the website is now open, BNBDOGE.ai. So once you click on it, you connect your wallet. I'm using Trust Wallet for this. So okay. So I'm switching over to BNB Connect. Already I've claimed. So let me just do that again. BNB Connect. So my wallet is already connected. As you can see here, you can claim BDOGE now. A total of 210 trillion BDOGE token are now available to be claimed by the holder of Pepe, AIDoge, and BAB, which is Binance account bond token. BDOGE token that has not been claimed within 31 days will be used for the community long-term incentive reward program. The BDOGE will be distributed to the top contributor of Binance chain community and bond. So as you can see right here, I've claimed mine. So the gas fee is $1.86. So about a week ago, it used to be $1.83. So I don't know if the market has been the one affecting it. So you can claim yours now to any wallet you have Binance account bond token. All right, just do that now. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification for more airdrop. Like I said, I'll be dealing more on Binance account bond token airdrop because Ethereum is really crowded for now. So, and I'm having this belief that very soon, one BSC project or more than one or two or three project might just bring back the BSC glory once again. So not just Ethereum. So just keep up and don't give up. See you guys on the next one.